Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can add contacts onto your Trust Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Trust Wallet app on your device, and once you open it up, you will need to provide your PIN code or biometrics to log in. After you are inside the homepage, if you wish to add any contacts, just tap on your main wallet at the top section. Then tap on the gear icon, which will take you into the settings page. Now within this page, just tap on Address Book, and now you can add your preferred contacts by tapping on the Add Contact button or the plus icon at the top section. Now just enter the name of the wallet, and then you can tap on the Add Addresses button to add their wallet address. Just choose the corresponding network and then enter the wallet address within the given box. You can also tap on the QR code icon alongside to take a photo of their QR code or upload it from your gallery. Once the details have been added, you can tap on the Done button, which will then create this new contact within your account. After this, whenever you are trying to send crypto, you can directly search their name instead of entering the wallet address. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add contacts on the Trust Wallet application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.